Waterfalls are just, besides the ocean, maybe my favorite subject. They give you so much opportunity, and it's so much creativity that you can put into, not just when you're taking the pictures, but long exposure, short exposure, and you know, all kinds of different things that you can do. But also post-processing, it's a lot of fun to do it. And today looks like a really good day to do it, because everything is so lush. Everything is super green. You can see in the background there the moss on the rocks and the ferns and everything. Super cool. Doesn't disappoint, does it? There's a lot of water coming down, just like we thought, so that's pretty awesome. It's a really nice cascading waterfall. And what I'll try to do, I think I'm already in a pretty good spot here, so I'll try to get the full-on picture of the waterfall, and then I'll try to do some close-ups. So let's give this a shot. I'll still have to climb around a bit, find the perfect spot, but this one right here already might be pretty good. So stick with me. All right, I think I just found a spot. A small section of the falls that could work out for a photograph as well, so I'm going to have a look at it and try to figure it out. I'm going to show you the idea that I have right now and see how that's going to turn out. So this is the section here that I have in mind for a little bit of maybe a long exposure here. That would work out quite well. See the water coming right there around the rocks. And there's some really nice lush green moss and ferns that could bring out some really nice contrast, I think. So I think that's what I'm going to try to set up. So here's what we're going to do. Like I said earlier, I had the idea. I showed you the spot. I will try to get the water coming around the rocks here, the boulders, and I will try two things. I'll try a longer exposure to get the flow in a little bit, and then I will take one with a shorter exposure just to see how it looks that way. I will be using a circular polarizing filter to get the glare out of the water and get a little bit more saturation in the greens as well, because it's so lush, it's unbelievable. So I'll try that and see how that's going to work out. Let me show you what I'm looking at. I've got this in live view right now. I usually don't shoot in live view. I usually go through the viewfinder. But this is what I have in mind. You see to the right, there's some leaves. I might keep them in there and see what's going to happen. Just as foreground, a little bit of framing there maybe. And I might zoom in a little bit more too, but I'll try a few shots here. Anyways, that's kind of the spot here. And I may move around a bit again to find a different composition, but for now, that actually looks pretty good to me. memory card's locked. Man, the colors are coming across. It's crazy. Nice. I like that. So I took a longer exposure and a shorter exposure, and what I'll do is I'll probably blend them together later on, because there's a lot of movement in the fern and in the leaves. That's where the faster shutter speed comes in, so they're going to stay still. And if I combine it with the long exposure, I still get the nice flow of the water coming down, and there's no blur in the leaves and in the fern. So that's probably what I'll do. Okay, I'm going to try the same shot from a different angle. I think I'm going to go over here a little bit and see. I'll go down. Let me show you what I'm seeing here. I'm not convinced, but I'll try. So I'm going to try it from over here. I'm going to try down a little bit. Maybe down. That could work. Let's try that. Man, that brings back so many childhood memories. Just climbing around in the woods and exploring stuff. This is so cool. I'm going to try to get the whole fall in there. The challenge is that the spray of the waterfall is going to get the lens wet just like that. So I got to find a spot in the composition where I can avoid that, because if not, I'm just going to keep cleaning my lens. And I try to make it happen. Man, this is cool. All right, let's get at it, shall we? I think down there. I think. I'll show you. This could work. I'm gonna go through here. And then got this spot here. And then up. There you go. It's going to be tricky because the spray's right in my face. I'm thinking I got to be quick. I'm thinking I want to take the trees that you see on the left and on the right. I think I want to use that as a frame. Yeah, I know I'm getting sprayed on. That's not gonna work. All right, I'm gonna give it one shot, and then I'll figure something else out. It's just too much spray. Okay, I just tried. The lens is already wet. I think I gotta go down a little bit further and find something there.
be a bit more protected from the spray. That's such a cool waterfall though. All right, let's go down there. Right. Oh yeah, this might work. Check this out. Let me go down here. Okay, I'm gonna go up. Check this out. So you've got the waterfall cascading down here, and it goes all the way up there. And I'm somewhat protected from the spray. That log is a little bit in the way. But what if I go like this? Maybe this here. That could work. Because if I go down here, I think the log in the front that you see, it's in the way a little bit. So, if I go up here and think like this, I think that works better. I'm gonna walk over a bit. Whoa! Gotta watch out. Don't know what to do. Let's go down here. Right. Oh, here we go. Here we go. See, sometimes you just have to walk around a bit. And don't just go with the obvious. Because now what you've got the big waterfall coming down, and then it splits right there where it cascades down to the left and to the right. Okay, this is a good spot, but let's go one more down right here and see what it looks like from down there. All right, from this here. Okay, what you think? I think this is it, right here. And I don't even have to move around much. That's it. All right. I think I'm going to leave it at that. I like to underexpose things, especially on a day like today, where it's like overcast and it's gray, and you've got all these really nice greens. It just pops on later on once the editing's done. I rather underexpose than overexpose. But I think we got a shot. I think. Hi guys, gonna leave it at that. I'm gonna post the final edits of the pictures at the end of this video. And if you enjoy this kind of stuff and you want me to do a little bit more of that on this channel, please let me know down in the comments. I actually quite enjoy this. This is a lot of fun for me, and if you enjoy it, hey, that'd be awesome. So let me know down in the comments. Also, any suggestions, whatever you may have. And you can also watch, of course, the full video of Michelle and I hiking here I'll leave a link of that video with more footage of the waterfall in itself and the hike in. I'll leave a link down in the description. And I think up there somewhere, I'll leave a thing, you know what I'm talking about. And yeah, check that video out as well. And if you enjoy this, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, comment on it. We are trying to get to 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And your support is so much appreciated. And it means the world to us that you're actually watching this. So, anyways, we'll see you next time. Have a good day. Check out this waterfall. It's awesome. Anyways, see you next time. Bye. Before I close this out, I think it's important to remember, if you enjoy taking photographs and all, you don't need perfect weather for it. It depends on what you make out of it. It's gray and overcast and everything else on top of that. But you don't always need to wait until the golden hour or blue hour, whatever you want to call it. Just go out and do it. That's really what it comes down to. And you know, and even if it doesn't turn out the first time, just come back and try it again if you have a certain thing in mind that you want to take a picture of. Ay, I gotta wash my stuff. Just get out there and do it. That's all I can say in practice. Still practicing. I still haven't figured it out completely, so just get out there and do it. Period. Anyways, we'll see you next week.